Hey guys, I'm super stoked on this one. I got the Shark cordless pet. This one has the now cleans itself part. This thing was on clearance for only $70. It's seriously normally $279. I am so excited about this thing. I'm just gonna jump into it. I don't have a lot of time to do this unboxing video, but there's the instructions. Oh, interesting packaging they used. It's almost like a fabric type paper. Like it really feels durable. Like you could use that thing as a regular paper bag. Good packaging on the... Oh, this is interesting. The way that this is, like this is the technology that they're pushing on this. It has like rubber flaps and brushes. Really cool. I love it so far. That's just packaging. All right. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, this paper is just really stiff paper. It reminds me of parchment paper. Okay, I love the color. One of the reasons I want to check this out. It's the right color too. Okay, that latches in nicely. So far, I love how fast this is going together, how intuitive it is to put together, and the packaging they used is great. Okay, just a little brush piece. It's kind of a little bit larger than the ones I'm used to seeing. Oh wow, they really went the extra mile with their attachments for this. I like the look of them. They should, for how expensive this normally is. I'm stoked about it at $70. But we've just got a regular old power cord. It says Shark right on the power cord. And this is a 24.8 volt, 0.8 amps, or 800 milliamps. So if you're looking to try to get a replacement cord, that's what's up there. More cardboard. Really well packaged down towards the bottom. That's where you got your main piece. It looks like their packaging got ripped slightly, but it's doing its job, it seems like. Let's see, no breaks in it. You know, everything's brand new. It's not like it was a returned product. This is just what goes on clearance, guys. It looks like it's just letting you know wow. It's just ready to go right out of the box, guys. So just click it on. Oh, wow, this is perfect. Oh. It doesn't even scare. Oh, yeah, I guess a vacuum always scares the dog, right? It's okay. It's just a vacuum. Wow. This is really lightweight, comfortable, really quiet. Cool. So I would say that this works really good. This is actually tested with pets, and it pulled out a lot. The switch is really intuitive. Let's see what the trigger says for pull for max power. There's a trigger, guys. So it's like it says pull for max power. So you have to turn it on. And I'll try the max power out. Oh, okay. Wow. adds a bit more suction. Yeah, this is a really impressive vacuum cleaner. It should be for how expensive this is. So, awesome. I would say that if you can get it for this price, I would jump on it. It definitely does the job. That was just a short amount of vacuuming, and I've got a pretty good set of stuff. It says slide tab to empty cup. So I'm guessing you would pull the whole thing off of here first, like that. And then there's a button you can press to just drop out the bottom. You know, this actually seems like it would work as a good little trash bag. But yeah, this is super nice. I love it. Really high quality, good feel to it. It definitely did its job in the few minutes I vacuumed in here. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Be sure to follow me